Good morning, Jerry Hawk 250 here. Here to show you my new bag that I got from NICECNC Tail Bag. I'll show you how to install this a little bit, but this is a pretty neat bag. This is a backpack. Of course, you can buckle it up here. You also can attach this. Also, we can attach this to motorcycle. Have a nice shoulder strap that hooks right on here, as you can see. Make it easy to carry. Right now, I'll show you how to attach it to the bike. So what we have several straps here. I'm going to show you how to attach those to the bike. Basically, like this. Slip through like this. Of course, you cinch it down. And you install all four like that. So once you have the straps on, what you do is snap it on. And once it's all in place, we'll cinch these straps down, like so. And once it's all strapped on, it's good and tight on here. And of course, it moves. It's just a matter of just clamping it. And we're ready to go. And that also makes it easier for transfer it to another bike. This bag has a bunch of storage compartments. So the strap off. Get out of the way. We have a bunch of storage compartments. Here's for putting shoes. And this just opens up here, which gives you more storage space here. It is pouch here. This is adjustable. You can actually sit something here and strap over. Opens up. And these sides here are expandable. As you unzip this, it does expand out. And this does this on both sides. Zip it back. And it looks like it seals off pretty good right here. This bag is also big enough to put your full-size helmet in. Let's see. Fits right in. We'll close up with it. We also have a bungee cord netting, so in case your bag is full, you want to mount your helmet on the back. Solid tape. We have little eye hooks here. To the back. You can actually attach a helmet or anything else you want to. And there are several other hooks on each side. Like so. Whatever you carry, it'll hold in place. And you also see you've got the same thing on this side. We have storage here. You got access from the sides. It's nice how they have these little straps to keep from open all the way. Of course, from here I have a saddle bag that'll stop it, but other bikes don't. Bungee cord, you can stuff in here. Little zip bag, which look like it might be waterproof. We also have the waterproof cover. Also right over the bag and keep everything nice and dry. Now, go back to this bag. Talk about storage. Like I said, here we got the bungees, the whole stuff. Zip pouch here. More stuff in. Huge compartment. Like I said, you saw I have a motorcycle helmet and I still have space around it. There are several little zip pouches in here. Here, we got here. We got a little pouch here. So tons of storage. Same thing up here. It's kind of a netting. But yeah, very nice bag, very sturdy. I love the stitching on it. All kind of place for attaching things to it. All this piping is reflective, highly reflective. Sides too, all this is reflective, so it is highly visible. But yeah, this bag from NICECNC, I mean, they got a lot of products there. You should have checked them out. Got parts for all type of bikes, brands, a lot of universal stuff. But yeah, this on my Vulcan S. Looks pretty good. Can't wait to take it out on a trip. Like I said, I'm going to take this bag and transfer it from one bike to the other. I'll just have to transfer my straps over onto this frame. Of course, snap it on there. Yeah, so don't forget to check out NICECNC and check out what they got there. I'll have a link in my description below. Please look at it, look them up. They're all 250.